Oh no, the cell is sick!
The cell nucleus is a large organelle in eukaryotic organisms which protects the majority of the DNA within each cell. The nucleus also produces the necessary precursors for protein synthesis. The DNA is the control center of a cell.
The nucleolus is a round body located inside the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell. It is not surrounded by a membrane but sits in the nucleus. The nucleolus makes ribosomal subunits from proteins and ribosomal RNA, also known as rRNA.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Its main functions are the synthesis of lipids, steroid hormones, the detoxification of harmful metabolic byproducts, and the storage and metabolism of calcium ions within the cell.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum is primarily concerned with the folding and modification of proteins, especially those that need to be delivered to different organelles within the cell or secreted from the cell. This endoplasmic reticulum is considered rough because of the membrane-bound ribosomes that are connected to it.
The Golgi apparatus customizes proteins that the cell can use by folding proteins into usable shapes or by adding other materials.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It uses cellular respiration to make ATP to provide energy. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria.
The chloroplast is found only in plant cells. It is a cell organelle that produces energy through photosynthesis. It has a high concentration of chlorophyll, the molecule that captures light energy, and gives many plants their green color.
A vacuole is an organelle in cells which functions to hold various solutions or materials. This includes solutions that have been created and are being stored or excreted, and those that have been engulfed by the cell. A vacuole is simply a chamber surrounded by a membrane, which keeps the cytosol from being exposed to the contents inside.
Lysosomes are garbage collectors. They take cell parts that don't work anymore and use enzymes to break down the debris.
The cytoskeleton is made up of thread-like microfilaments, which are made of protein, microtubules that are thin, hollow tubes, and intermediate filaments not found in fungi and plants.
A centriole is a small cylindrical organelle in animal cells that employs materials to form centrosomes and cilia, the projections of the cell that are responsible for the body's movement and sensory functions. It also helps the cell to divide in meiosis and mitosis.
The cell membrane is a double layer of lipids and proteins that surrounds a cell and separates the cytoplasm from its surrounding environment. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, which means it only lets certain molecules enter and exit.